Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Dan.
Can
Good
you hear me?
morning. Yes, we
Morning.
can.
Okay, cool. So before we start, let's think about a simple question. Okay. How many of us are usually in a rush to finish a task quickly? I think almost all of us. Yeah. But here's the catch. When we rush, small mistake can slip in. Now, let me give a common example. Have you ever sent a report and realized only after sending it there was a typo? Anybody can raise your hand if ever feel the same thing. Laksmi, Afif. Oh, okay. Yeah. Me also. Yeah, almost happened to all of us. Thank you for the one who raised hand. Okay. It almost happened to all of us, guys, and believe it's related to the rush also. So we didn't check, double check or triple check what we want to deliver. And yeah, actually that's the today topic. It's called 1 minute check. Because if we do 1 minute check or 1 minute of awareness of what we are doing, it can save us 1 week of cleanup. Okay. Now think about this. Have you ever caught a mistake just by taking one last look? For example, for me, after end of day, I check the time doctor first to make sure the project name is correct with the tax, the today tax. Okay. So I spend 5 minutes or 2 minutes just to check the project. Otherwise, the HR team will follow every day. It's not good also. So it's better me by myself who checking it. Just spend 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. So I'd like to hear it also from you guys. Have you ever caught a mistake just by taking one last look? Maybe I will pick someone here. Novan. Hello, Van.
Ya, Mas.
Yeah. Have you ever caught a mistake, Van, just by taking the one last look?
Yes. Uh, I think it was around 2 weeks. No, actually, it was last night before I was doing bug fix, and I was already sure that it will be okay. But then I decided to check first because you know I often do check look and the QA will tell me. But this time I decided to look, and my feeling still not, so I decided to fix it. That's it, Mas.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Van, for sharing. Yeah. I think you can pass to someone, Van.
Okay, I will pass
You can
to
pick them.
Hermawan. Are you here? On.
Yes, Mas.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Hermawan.
Uh, Sorry, Mas. Can you repeat the question? I still not understand the question. That
Yeah.
last sentence.
Okay. Have you ever caught a mistake just by taking one last look? I mean, when you do something and you already did, then you check once again what you done, and on that way you found there are some mistakes like that.
Uh, um, yeah, I did. Yeah, and maybe recently, yeah, I developed
Mhm.
ERP 003
Mhm.
when I create a function. I confident that this function will be work properly.
Mhm.
But after I double check or review again the function, yeah, I found some many typo and yeah, the first look, yeah, I think when I reviewed the function, I found many mistakes and yeah, I fixed that. There's something like that.
Okay, thank you, Mawan. So basically, we need to double check it to realize there is a mistake. Yeah.
Yeah, but in the first time, yeah, I confident that this function will work properly, and after I double check this, there is many people. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mawan. Maybe you can pick to another one.
I will pass it to Masil. Masil maybe.
Yes, Sil.
Hello.
Yeah, Masil.
Yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
morning. So for me, before going COD, usually I check uh, the ticket I have doing before all the tasks to check the delivery report. Sometimes I found some delivery report not fill the correct information like that. And typo also on the delivery report.
Okay,
So
thank you, Sil. Yeah, I think this typo problem is happening. That's why we really need to check what we want to pause or deliver. Maybe I'd like to hear one more time, but now from the HR department, I think. I like to hear voice from HR. Maybe want to pick tiga. Halo. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Ian. Yeah. So from all the person, I think the typo is the main problem. But yeah, the today topic is not typo, yeah, guys. Today topic is the 1 minute check. So that's to recover the typo things. Okay, thank you, guys. So I will continue. Yeah, actually, when we in a rush, like I said, mistake can slip in, like a typo or something like that. And here's some example that I can give to you guys. For example, uh, with the email example. Imagine when we sending an email, we type the text in a paragraph or something, and please check the attachment. And then we double check it, we send. Apparently the attachment is not there. And yeah, what happened next? We need to send again another email with the attachment, and it's not look good, right? Yeah, that's why we better to check first if it's already okay or not, then we do it. And then the next example, maybe report example, like, yeah, maybe Sylvester already shared it before. So before submitting the report, we need to check first if it's already correct. Or I have a small tip actually. You know, in Zeta chat, we can chat ourselves, right? So sometimes I usually create a report and send it to myself. So I know sometimes there is icon become a emoticon like that. There is a link, it's broken. So when I post it and I'm sure it's already correct, then I post it to the related channel. Okay. And also the other example, daily work example. Daily work example, like right after this morning call, we have the SETA stand-up meeting channel, right? And then we have the task progress channel, and we have the timetable also. So let's spend time also first to jump in there to fill everything before we forget about it. Because sometimes we jump to the task directly, to the urgent things, and we forgot the daily routine that we did. And then the last one, maybe this is the security example. I will give also the security example. For example, leaving your laptop unlocked when you step away. You know, actually, the 1 minute check is really important here because later it can become a habit. When we want to leave our laptop, we need to check if it's already locked or not. Otherwise, something will happen. For example, in Jogja, I realized the team is have full of confidence. So sometimes the people update their Zeta chat with status, I'm so handsome. I'm so really, really beautiful. And with the text also. With the text, Anjay. And then when I chat, later they reply, I realize the problem is laptop is unlocked and someone updated. Just love Mafia. Yeah, that 1 minute check is important also because we have the lot of things. Before we leave something, before we post something, let's do 1 minute check just to make sure it's all good. Then we can leave it or post it. Okay. So it's like putting a helmet when before riding the motorbike. It takes only second, but it can save you from the big trouble. First, it can be for your safety, and second, it can save you from the policeman, of course. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all. I hope you get the topic, guys, for the today, the 1 minute check. Okay. Before I close, if there any addition from the HR team or management team? No?
No, thank
No?
you. Can be nice topic.
Okay, thank you. So if there is none, I will close with a quote here. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So let's make the 1 minute check a small habit that saves us from a big headache. Yeah. So before I close this one, let's do 1 minute check and then double check, triple check our tax like usual. Okay. Thank you for joining this morning call and let's strive to make it happen, guys. Cheers and thank you.
Cheers.